her 7 times. With her boyfriend.
How was the cleanup? It was good. We got it.
Okay.
We had our great day service this morning at Mount Bethel, and so I've been up since 6:30.
You're playing the sooner or what?
Well, I'm not so sure. We went to a low-income project. Let's go, Louie! Act like you know what you're doing. You know what?
Oh yeah.
Run, Katie! Turn and run! Turn and run!
Go, Katie!
Go, Katie!
Chase it down! Let's get a shot!
We're on the, Stay with it, Katie. Stay with it. Come on, Lily, get in there. Mix it up.
Blue, Lily, go to it! Katie, stay on that right! Katie, stay on that right! Lily, heads up! Get that cross in!
Center it, Lily.
Cross it over! Take it, Katie!
Go!
Good thought.
Outside, outside, outside.
Turn around, turn around.
Come on, keep it down on this end! Keep it down here!
Go, Katie Jones. Go. Go, Katie, go. Come on, Katie. Stay with it. Stay with her. Stay with her, Katie. Get her. Get her. There you go, Katie. Don't let her push you around, Katie. Good job. Go, Katie. Go, Katie. Center, center.
Go, go,
Good
go,
move.
Go, go. Cross it, Katie. Get to it, get to it.
Get it.
All right, Kate!
Good stop, good stop, good stop.
Kick it in.
Oh. Good try, Katie. Good try.
Gotta keep the pressure on, girls.
Stay on her, stay on her, stay on her. Good,
Stay with it, Katie. Stay with it, Katie. There you go. There you go. Stay, Katie. Get it. You got it.
All right, Isabel!
Go, Katie, go, 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 go.
Lily, Lily, center, center.
Get open, Kate, get open.
Keep doing it.
Corner.
Get
Oh, oh, yes.
Get it in. Go, go.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Kick it in.
Corner, another corner.
Get
Oh, oh, yes.
Get it in. Go, go.
Yes.
Oh, come on. Kick it in.
Corner, another corner. Another corner.
All the way, Lily, all the way. Go, come on!
Get it in.
Get up there, go, go.
Lily.
Get it, Katie. Get it.
Get it out. Get it out. Go. There you go. Carry it. Get down there. Go, Olivia. Go, Caroline. It's okay. It's a good job.
Deep breath! Deep breath!
Easy. Oh, man. Let's break you up a little bit. You have all crunched up. Go, Lily.
Kick it down, Lily!
Good kick. All right, Caroline. Go, Olivia.
Go! Go, Isabel! Come on, chase it down! Block it!
Stay on side!
Nice
Stay
job.
on side!
Yes, she is. Where the girl's way down there.
Here it is. Keep moving!
She must have gone academy. Go, get it in.
Oh!
Good job, Katie. Go. Go, Katie Jones. Come on, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Good job, Lily.
Take it, Katie!
Go, Katie. Go, Katie.
Take it, Katie! Get it in there!
Go, Katie, go, Katie.
Hustle, hustle, Olivia. Hustle, Olivia.
Good job.
Good job.
Kick it in, Olivia. Kick it. Go, Katie. You're okay, honey. Good play, Katie.
Stay with it, baby. Stay with it. Good, Katie.
Good effort, Katie.
That's it.
Go, Isabel.
All right, Katie, get ready. Get ready.
Far post.
Corner.
Keep moving, girl. Keep moving.
There you go.
Good out.
Keep it down.
Go, Katie.
Good control, Katie.
Go, Lily. Stop it. Control it, Lily. Control it. Good job.
Yeah, get it again.
Good job. Come on, Olivia. Go, Olivia. Go, Olivia.
Take it, Olivia.
Okay.
Michaela. All right,
There you go. Way to attack it, Katie.
Who's got the hammer though?
Let's go, Katie.
Look for the big throw, Olivia.
Go.
There you go, Olivia.
Stay with it. Good job.
Bill, stay wide.
Got it. Okay, that's the goalie ball.
There you go, Cameron. Good job, Cameron.
Back up, Katie, back up.
There's more.
We hope.
Hey, listen, Lauren has
Taylor. Go, Taylor. One right there. Taylor. Go, Taylor.
Let's go, Olivia.
All right, Kate.
Come on, Katie. Go, Katie.
Good job, Olivia.
Go. Go, Olivia.
Good job, Talia.
Katie, get
Stay
up.
up, stay up. You gotta get that, Tay.
Nice job, Olivia. Good try there, sweetheart. Good job, Katie.
Thanks. I'm gonna leave these right here. I'll be right back. I get a second. I got you.
Get open, get open.
Absolutely.
Push up, Taylor, push up. Get it, Taylor, get it.
Get it, Lily. Get it, Lily.
Get Lily. Take it, Lil.
There you go, Lily.
Good pass. Take it and run, Katie.
Get out of there. Good job.
Okay, that's a throw.
All right,
Right
Olivia.
now, but that'd be a good time for you to throw it in. Just so they could all our offense.
Get
could
out
go
of there.
through.
Taylor.
There you go, Lily.
Good, Lily.
Settle, Tay, settle. Look up, look up.
Girl, attack it. Attack it, Caroline. There you go.
Take it, Lily.
In the box, Olivia. Get in the box.
Take it down, Katie.
Go, Isabel. Run at it now. Run.
Just out there because of that.
Power shot. Now.
Push out, push out.
Come on. Shoot it, Isabel.
Hey, Chris, help me remember when it gets one.
Shoot.
You have your new iPad.
Handball.
Stay up, Katie. You gotta
Go, Katie.
Go, Katie. Oh, great move, Katie.
move to the ball, Taylor. Settle it.
There you go. Kick it in. Kick it in.
Taylor, stay middle, stay middle.
Good shot.
Try, Lauren.
Way to go, Lauren. Way to kick it in there.
Move, Taylor, move. You gotta move.
Job.
There you go.
Great shot.
Good try, Catherine. Good try.
Nice kick,
Taylor,
Caroline.
stay middle.
Oh, where'd
Stay
it
with
go?
it, Sam. Center.
There you go. Go, Sam. You got it. Attack it. There you go. Oh. Oh, can settle it.
Shoot it.
Taylor, carry up the side.
Good, Samantha. Stay on it. There you go.
Good try, girls.
Okay, go wide. Run toward the ball. You know that penalty was for? You know that penalty was
He was saying something about
Pass, pass. Way to stay with it, Blue. Cameron.
You can't kick it to your own goalie? What's this one?
Not inside the box.
Not tip. I mean,
Not inside the box.
I don't think anywhere.
Well, you can from back here. You can kick it back.
Exactly. I know. But not in the box, huh? I didn't know that.
good pass,
I
Sam.
didn't know that either.
Hey, Lauren. Hey,
But-
Will. Well, you know, it's good for him to get the exposure.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. They're ready for it.
Taylor.
Outside, Tay, outside.
Good job, Will.
There you go, Blue. There you go.
Get it out.
Great shot, Sam. Great shot. Great shot, Sam. Sam, great shot.
Sammy, way to go, sweetheart. That's the way to do it, Sammy.
Okay, go get it. Go get it.
Go where?
She sized it up.
Where?
Save it, save it.
Okay,
Go, Lauren. Go, Lauren.
Good hustle, Isabel.
Okay.
Rolling on the defenders, isn't it?
You hit that goose?
Good job, Cammy.
You know the most frustrating thing for me.
Come on, Lauren, go. Don't be afraid.
Go, Lauren! Go, Lauren! Come on, Lauren! Go, Lauren! Lauren, stay with it! Go, Lauren! Move. All number.
Look up.
There you go. That's your ball, Will.
Trap it.
Taylor, don't follow the ball. Stop it, control it.
Hello.
Settle. Look up.
I'm not gonna stop you.
Go to the goal, Tay.
Here's my drill.
Underneath.
What'd you do?
We had a
Stack it. There you go.
that we did over in Austell.
Get in, Lauren.
Worked at a low income project. Hey, what? It was fun.
Get to that ball.
Gotta be right. Gotta be right to right. God rest his soul. Good job, Lily! Way to go, Lily!
Attack that ball, Caroline. Don't just run to a spot. There you go. Attack it.
Get out, Lauren! Good job,
Good
Lauren!
job. That's yours, Lauren. Good job. It's offside.
Who was offside?
Isabel. Lauren. Good job.
Go, Taylor, go!
Good job, Cameron!
Way to go, Cameron. Way to come out.
Through the gap,
Turn it.
Go, turn it up.
There you go, Sam. Good pass. Turn it, Lauren.
Hold that hole. In the middle, Taylor. Good job, Lauren.
Go, Lauren. Attack it, Caroline.
Yeah, go, Sam.
Cross it over! Okay, kick it. Get down there, Katie! Take it, Katie! Watch outside. Take it, Katie! Take it!
Go!
You gotta kick it harder than that, girl!
I think that was a pass.
Yeah, that was. She was going for her. Good job, Sam.
All right, Kate! Oh!
Good pass. Pass it back. Pass it back. Pass it back.
Come on, girls, kick it!
Nice job, Coach.
Great pass, Olivia. That was a great pass.
Come on, Cameron.
Come on, Katie! Go, Katie!
Go, Katie. Go. Turn back. Go. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Try, Katie.
Nice job, Coach.
Great pass, Olivia. That was a great pass.
Come on, Cameron.
Try, Katie.
Oh.
Chase it.
Katie, get up there. Katie.
Shoot, Katie. Shoot. Let's go. Let's see the ball.
Come on, Katie, back down there!
Go get back. Go. Go get it, Olivia. Katie, get up there. Katie, get.
Good shot, Olivia. Good thought.
Way to go, Cameron. Okay.
Go, Katie.
Stay in the middle, Katie. Katie, go.
Come on, Katie!
Olivia, come on, turn and shoot.
Good shot, Olivia.
Come on, Katie!
Run going in.
Get that cross in. The outside. Run is about.
Go, Katie!
Come on, get outside.
Come on, girls, go! Get ready for the cross, Katie! Get ready! Katie!
Come on, baby, come on.
Come on, get down!
Stay in front of her.
Kick it!
They on the low field.
Go, Isabel.
Get up there, Katie. Katie, stay up. Talk to the hand.
So hard.
Talk to the hand.
Yeah. We played them last week.
Good job, Cameron.
Take it, Katie. Take it.
Get that cross in.
There you go, Olivia.
Get ready, Katie. Here it comes.
Stay with it. Good job, Olivia. Way to stay with it. Blue throw.
Get open, go. Get it, Kate. Get it, Kate.
It's your ball. Go, go. Oh, go. Good job.
Way to stay on it, Katie. Get it, Kate. Get it, Kate.
Your ball. Go, go. Good job. Stay with it.
Go, Katie, go.
Take your time. Good. Chase it down.
Do it again. Do it again.
Get ready, D. Get ready. There you go, Olivia.
Get ready.
It's your ball.
Katie, on the
There you
middle.
go.
Get open, Katie. Get open. There it is, Katie. There it is, Katie. Oh, hey.
Great cross, Olivia. Good shot, Katie.
Olivia, that was a great pass, Olivia.
Good work, girls.
Come on, Katie.
Come on, Kate. Take it, Kate.
Cross it.
Run back. Up and out. Find somebody.
Back up.
Go chase it, Catherine. Chase it.
Katie, middle. Katie, get in the middle.
Nice shot. That's half.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job.